So what's up guys? Good day. Greetings to all. Have a blessed morning everybody. We are here at EDSA Guadalupe. So ngayon guys, let's talk about achieving our dreams. This is our motivational vlogs. Ika nga nila guys, libre lang mangarap. Lahat ng tao guys ay merong pangarap. Nasa sa atin na lang guys kung ang mga pangarap natin ay gusto natin talagang abutin. We will pursue guys para makamit natin ito. All you need to do guys is to be inspired with God, inspired with your family, dahil sila lang makakatulong sa atin para makamit natin ang ating mga pangarap. Every moment that we can take is an opportunity. Every day guys, meron tayong chances to achieve our dreams, our goals. Hawak natin guys kung maabot natin ang ating mga pangarap. Gaya ko guys, ako ay nangangarap. Sa panahon ngayon, ako'y nagsusumikap para maiahon ko sa kahirapan ang aking mga pamilya. Woo! Na makapagpatayo ng magandang bahay, makabili soon ng sasakyan. In God's will guys, God's will. God's plan has always the best. Manalig lang tayo kay God guys. Hindi tayo bibiguin. Hindi niya tayo bibiguin guys. Sabi nga ng iba, pag pinanganak kang mahirap, hindi mo ito kasalanan. Pero pag namatay kang mahirap, ito ay iyong kasalanan. Habang bata pa tayo, habang kaya pa, let's achieve our dreams. Grind lang ng grind guys habang kaya pa. Test yourself, then also risk. I-risk natin yung sarili natin guys, out of the box. Dahil once na masubukan natin guys yung hindi natin kaya, sa susunod is basic na lang guys. Papetiks na lang. Soon guys, pangarap ko magkaroon ng business. Pag nakapagpaipon-ipon na guys, bala kong mag business. Unti-unti lang natin guys, huwag nating mamadaliin. Meron tayong perfect time individually. Huwag tayong susuko guys. Alam nating sa una mahirap. Siyempre I will work hard through Christ who strengthen us. Please support my journey guys, and I got your back. As of the moment guys, through this pandemic, sobrang hirap talaga guys. Limited lahat ng ating mga galaw. But I'm very thankful guys na we are healthy. Wala tayong mga sakit. Very blessed guys. Every morning nagigising tayo guys is such a blessing. Always thanks to God. Kung malungkot ka, tawagin natin si Lord. Kung masaya ka, pasalamat kay Lord. Lahat ng aspeto sa buhay guys, every moment na may gagawin ka guys, just call Him and siya ang bahala sa atin. Through this platform, I hope na tulungan ako ni Lord to achieve my dreams as a motovlogger, to achieve also my parents' dreams. Through nights and day guys, lagi ko itong pinagdadasal na sana soon let's achieve our dreams guys. Never give up, just do it. Again, this is our motivational achieving our dreams. Salamat sa lahat na nanonood guys, and also salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe. Again, this is Masan Motovlog. Anyways guys, shoutout nga pala kay Neil Jan Salgado. Shoutout also to Jojo Anyora. Shoutout Christopher Cuyo. And all subscribers, thank you. Abangan ang aking next vlog. This is Arca South guys. Sobrang ganda. Ito na po ang ating motovlogging setup. This is our motorcycle, which is si Mati. I will reveal to you the motovlogging setup that I have. So yun guys, again, this is Masan Motovlog na nagsasabing work on our dreams. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Always remember, wear your face mask, face shield, and observe distancing pag tayo'y lalabas ng bahay. Again, this is Masan Motovlog. Peace!